Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to return your Verizon Fios equipment. Now, first you need to reach out to Verizon to start the return process. So whether you're upgrading your equipment, you're disconnecting your service, or you're relocating, just contact them. And they'll let you know which UPS stores are near your address. Okay? So you can go ahead and drop off your return, or you can use the UPS Find a Store tool. And once you're at the UPS store, they will scan the UPS, the equipment, the serial numbers. They'll package it and they'll ship it back to Verizon. And just guys, make sure to keep the return receipt for your records. This is very, very important for you. Okay? But otherwise, it is really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.